This video is for all my students. They wanted to know how to use this software in TradingView. It is the best software available for you guys. If you are a trader or investor, this is a very good software. You definitely need to learn how to use this. So I'll just go through it once and I'll show how to use the basic tools in this software. Okay, so here you can see, here you can type whatever the stock you want to analyze. Say I want to analyze Nifty, so I will just type in Nifty and the chart will open. Okay, so okay, back to Reliance, and then here this is a time frame. Whatever time you want, you can choose it: 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, and for intraday 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5, 15, 30, 45 minutes. Okay, so you can choose a time frame in which you are analyzing the stock. Then here you can choose the type of the chart, what type of chart you want to analyze. You want candles, you want bar chart, you want Fibonacci. Well, basically you should be knowing how to use the candlesticks. So candlesticks, you can get it like this. Then we have this indicator. In this indicator we can type in any indicator, say RSI. Okay, we'll get the RSI here, or say what I taught you guys, directional movement. So for directional movement, you'll type DI and you'll get directional movement. Okay, here you can see the directional movement. Now you can also, enhance the visibility and everything of these indicators. You have to press the settings here in the indicator, and then you can enhance it. You can increase the width of the lines. Just have a look here. I increased the width of the lines so they became more clear. Okay, all right. As you can see, Reliance is in a downtrend according to this directional movement. Okay, we can expect more fall in Reliance, because here you can see the blue line, that is the positive DI, that is down, and the negative DI is up, along with the ADX line. So that's how you can enhance the indicator. You can choose any other indicator, say money flow or check-in money flow. Any indicator you want, you can use. All right. Then there's one more indicator which marks the highs and lows. So that is pivots. Okay, if you type in pivots point high and low, it will mark the highs and lows in this chart. Okay, it is very important because I already told you guys that if a stock breaks out from a previous resistance or previous high, then definitely that stock may go, it might go up again. All right, and so this is how you mark the support resistance to this pivot chart, this pivot indicator. Now let's move to the other thing, other tools, that is the lines and the angles and all. So for that you just have to go here. You can see this. I'll just draw. Just have a look here. This. Okay. Here you can go and you can select a trend line. Okay, if you want to draw a trend line, you select trend line and you can draw a trend line. Okay, you can draw a trend line. All right, so where you'll go here, trend line, you'll select trend line. If you want to use a horizontal line, okay, to mark the support and resistance, you can click on horizontal line, and you can, wherever you get the support resistance, you can mark the support resistance. Just like here, if I have to mark this high, okay, I have marked it here. Similarly, again, if I want to mark it here, I can mark it here. So that's how you use the horizontal line. Now to put stop loss and targets. Okay, actually what we do for that, we use the ray. All right, the horizontal ray. So suppose, say I have a target of Reliance to 1025. So I will just, put a ray here. So that will be my first target. Again, if I want, I'll just go here and I'll select ray and say I want to put my second target here. So I'll just draw a ray here. So ray line, you can use this like this. Then what we have, vertical lines, you can use them. Just have a look here. You can use them to split apart some parts of the chart. You can use them. This is a vertical line, so you just have to go here again. Have a look here. Okay, you'll go here, this arrow, just have a look here. You'll select horizontal line if you need that, vertical line. I think if you want an arrow, you can select an arrow with an upward direction or a downward direction, whatever you want. Okay, then we have parallel lines. Okay, you can use parallel lines to find a trend or to locate a trend. Just have a look here. So that's how I use a parallel line. See, this is a channel, and as the stock broke down this channel, it went down. All right, so I'll tell you again how to get the channel. You just have to go to this trend line section, and you'll go to the parallel channel and you'll select the channel. Okay, now you can draw the channel. Okay, you can draw the channel. That's how you draw a channel. It's very easy. There are so many tools which comes in handy. You need to know all those things. Then what we have in the next section. Okay, this is a trend line section. This is a trend line section, and now we'll move to the other part here. Just have a look here. Just below this trend line section, we have this, where we have the pitchfork, we have the Gann analysis, we have Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so for Fibonacci retracement, you'll use this Fibonacci retracement tool, and you can mark the highs and lows of the session, and you can see there's a very strong this retracement at 38.20%. okay, so that's how you use Fibonacci retracement tool. All right, Fibonacci retracement. Just have a look here again. This is the low, this is the high, and again you can see 38.20% retracement. So Fibonacci retracement, you can just go to the other section and you can select Fibonacci retracement. And if you want to use the extension, you can even use the extension. I will teach you how to use extension in my tools. Okay, we use extension to put our targets. All right, so we don't need to know all other things from this section. Okay, later in the module you'll come to know about all these things. Then I'm going to tell you how to use them. Third section here, you'll get a brush if you want to draw something. Okay, you want to draw something, say you want to draw line, just like this, you can draw lines. All right, if you want to write something, you can write something. This is a brush tool. Okay, if you want to mark the mountain hill, say double top. This is a top, this is a top. I mark the tops. Okay, all right, this is a very good double top pattern. All right, and from here the market changed it trend. So that's how you can use the brush. Then what we have here is rectangle. If you want to draw a rectangle, you can just draw a rectangle to analyze just this part inside the rectangle, and you can also move the rectangle as you wish. Okay, then what we have triangle, we have ellipse. There are many shapes, you can use the shapes. If you are marking cup and handle pattern, what you can use this arc. Okay, here you can see in the third section we have arc, and we can just draw the arc just like this. Okay, or say we have to draw the cup and handle. See, this becomes a cup, and again if we use this, we can draw the handle. See, that's how you draw a cup and handle. You can use the arc pattern here. Just have a look here once again. I'll tell you once again. Just have a look at my lines. Okay, this section here you can see a brush. You have to go there, you have to select arc. Okay, this is arc, and you can select the arc and you can draw a cup and handle. Okay, the pattern is not present here in this chart, but I'll just show you. This is how you draw a cup. Okay, once again have a look at it. Just there will be a starting point, take it to the other point and take it down, so it will become a cup. Okay, you try and use, you will be able to use it. Okay, you practice and you'll be able to use it perfectly. So this was the shapes and brush section here. Then what we have the text section. Here you can write anything. You can write, say, target 1. If you want, you can write target 1. Right, let's have a look. So target 1, you can draw ray here. This becomes your target 1. So that's how you can mark your targets, helping using the horizontal ray and the text. Whatever, if you want to write, if you want to mark something, you can definitely use the text option here. Alright, then in the next section, alright, so we have seen this trend line, the Fibonacci, the shapes, the text. Now let's come to the more advanced part, where we can get the Elliott wave, the ABCD pattern, the cipher pattern. Alright, so let's have a look how the cipher pattern is. Okay, so you'll get all these patterns here in this section. Alright, we'll teach you about all these things, don't worry, and then you'll be able to use all these tools itself. Alright, then again, a very important thing here, it is the forecast options. You can use this tool to put your stop loss and targets too. Okay, so here you can see this is a long position, this is a short position. If you are taking a long position, you'll select a long position and then you'll put it here. You can see, I'll just show you once again. First let me mark the section. Just have a look here. This is the section. Okay, when you'll open this, you'll see long positions, you'll see short positions. Okay, so if you think that stock is gonna go high, you want to buy, you can long your positions. So then you long your positions from a point, say from this candle. I want to long my position, and here you can see this red part is the stop loss, the green part is the target. Okay, red part is the stop loss, green is the target. You can adjust it as you like. You'll get the coordinates here. You have to double click on this and you'll get the coordinates, and you can type in whatever price, profit level, okay, your target, your stop loss, and your entry price. You can enter it and it will adjust to that whatever you'll write in the coordinates. So if you are taking short position. Say you are on the sell side, so you can just click here and see this is the stop loss. This will become your target. So when I'll teach about the risk reward, then you'll come to know about how to use this tool. Alright, so that's up for today. This is a basic tools which you need to know. If you want to draw a triangle, okay, you can go to the I told you there is a shape. You can go to the triangles and you can draw the triangles there. Okay, you'll find everything, you just need to explore it. Again, let me show you how to get the triangle. You go to this third section and here you'll get all the shapes. Alright, so you'll select a triangle. If you want to draw a triangle, you'll select a triangle. Alright, and then you can select as draw any kind of triangle. See, this is the ascending triangle. Okay, if you want to draw a descending triangle, you can do the same. Alright, there's a descending triangle. You just play around with this side, explore this website, this software. You'll come to know about all these, how to use these tools. Okay, alright, so for trend line, you can go here, you can mark a trend, so like this is the downtrend. Alright, and on the right hand side here you can see, I'll just draw, have a look here, this is the price. Alright, and this down here is the time. Alright, so this on the y-axis we have price, on the x-axis we have the time. Alright, so these were the basic tools which I just wanted to tell you. And the advanced part, when we'll teach about the advanced part, we'll definitely make another video showing how to use this cipher pattern, the ABC triangle pattern, Elliott wave. When we'll learn all these things, we'll definitely tell you how to use this. But the basics, whatever we have taught till now, you can use this software for that. Alright, so I'll just end my video here. Okay.